Alright. Oh, gosh. Alright. So, we're back. Testing. Beautiful. Alright. So, beautiful. Alright. So, welcome back to Empathy Software's live stream development of the mobile game Cure-All in collaboration with the United States Marine Corps, Semper Fi. My name is Russell Campbell, an O10 in the United States Marine Corps. And where we last left off, we just had a major W! It was so good, I shook my skypots out of my ears. We figured out this tricky problem of getting unstuck from the invisible walls after we hit them, and our spaceship can now fly away from the wall. We did run into an extra issue here. We did run into an extra issue here where I'll demonstrate it again. Let me just let stream know what's going on. Alright, so let's go ahead and run a clean build here. And demonstrate what we have accomplished. So the issue we have now is, so let's demonstrate. We can get stuck on the wall. The only issue we have is that the game can't differentiate right now due to my code that between -90 and 0 is equivalent logically to 270 and to 270 and 360. I did 359 in this case because as a failsafe, because I was concerned that at 360 degrees the rotation would reset, right? But the way angles actually work with image angle is the rotation just go on forever. So we start at 0 degrees, 1 full revolution 360, 2 full revolutions 720, 3 full revolutions 1080, 4 full revolutions 1400, and it just keeps going, right? That is a problem because if it goes to infinity and negative infinity, that doesn't help us, because then in our code we would have to determine that we're pointing to determine that we're pointing down and to the right. We would have to cover all the cases for what that would look like degree wise, like this little 90-degree section from infinity to negative infinity. No one has time for that. So what we'll do, we'll make code to reset the image angle degree every single time it hits 360. So it just goes right back to 0. Let's make sure that works. So let's place that in a function. Let's make sure we're recording. Alright, the stream is going. Yeah, we don't need to organize things right now, but it can't hurt, right? So let's just environment. And then everything related to spaceship. These seem like logical organizations, right? You know, man versus wild. So man go in here, wild go in here. Not necessary right now, but doesn't hurt. It saves us some time. Alright, so what we want to do now is go to our scripts and we can actually make the same organization here. Create group, environment. Create group, spaceship, bless. So we want to go spaceship, and then we want to go on the spaceship and we want to make a new script called reset degree. All this script does, if our current image degree or image angle is greater than 359. Oh, right, degrees. No magic numbers. Degrees 359. Just reset the image angle equal to Yep, we want to reset the degrees. So we want this behavior to act fast on our spaceship. We want this to we want to reset degree. We want this to go every frame of our spaceship. I'm gonna go ahead, save, run that clean build very quickly. Success, run the game. Alright, so then we're at 0 degrees. Let's go. Perfect. Now, it should be negative too. So that's one instance I didn't account for. And this goes to negative infinity. Yep. So let's go ahead and simply go back into our reset degrees function. Are we streaming? Okay. Okay. Now in the reset degree function slash behavior, we just go ahead and add the or. Don't know if we add it. So what we need to explain is one dot operator. Oh god. So excited, everyone. Need to add dot operator to what we can explain. It might be elsewhere, but it doesn't hurt to add. And we have logical or somewhere else. So if I want to do this here, either way, let's stick with the convention we made. Also, if it's less than 0. Run the game again. Success here looks like the degrees resetting to 0. Whether we make a full plus counterclockwise or clockwise revolution. Let's see here. We make a full counterclockwise revolution. It resets. Let's make a clockwise revolution. Goes to 0, goes negative. Huh. Ooh, okay. I see what we did here. So then it's just run the game again. Alright, so we can do a full revolution and reset. And then if we go negative, we can do a full negative revolution and reset. So we only have to detect if we're pointing down and to the right, if we have rotated clockwise, or if we've done a counterclockwise revolution. This may come in handy later, but either way. So then we need our spaceship. And we just need to put an or here. Or image. This is a lot of code I don't want to write all over again, so copy that, paste this. Is less than equal to, so be greater than or equal to negative 3. Wait a minute here, negative 90 degrees and that tracks, right? And just have to flip. this. This. So now all right, so we took care of the let's see, what problems did we just solve? Infinite degree incrementation for counterclockwise and clockwise rotation. And then, yeah, those are two problems we just solved. So if we go here, I can't wait to add like a trail of fire. We have to move on to cure all after this, but I'm not abandoning this project. This is cool. So we're stuck. Oh no, we're stuck. No, we're not. wait, what was it? What was that? Oh no, we're stuck. We're stuck. We're stuck. We're stuck. We're stuck. We're stuck. Oh, go this way. No, we're not. Haha! Oh my gosh. Oh, that's sweet. All right, so this is not. This is no longer an onion. This is a W. So now we can detect if we're pointing up and to the right as well. If now we can determine we could really just say if now that we've determined it for this one quadrant, we can just do it for two quadrants at once, right? No, we need to, because we go over 0 degrees, we're going to need to do this by slices, but potentially not for the other portions of the angle of rotation. But that is really cool here. So what are the other degrees that determine whether, if it's greater than 0 and less than 90, let's go ahead and add that here. So can go ahead and yeah, I mean, it's greater than 0 or less than 90. Right? Or it's greater than 0 and less than 90. If it's negative, yeah, that's just, it's all, everything's just flipped. If greater than 270. So greater than 270, greater than negative 270, and less than negative 359. Oh my gosh! I shouldn't have done that. Right, this is right? If it's greater than, if it's less than negative 270, and then greater than negative 359. This should be our final W for the right wall. Save, clean the build. And run the game. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh, we don't have anything wonky where if you try to press right to rotate clockwise and then left to rotate counterclockwise, we don't have anything wonky. Maybe it should prioritize your most recent rotation command, but whatever. put that in the bonus because we want to get to cure all. But this is cool too. You know what? I have a funny feeling that that's gonna be like a good thing to do for this project. So let's go ahead and implement it, but last, so we don't have a sense of it delaying the tasks we already delineated, you know? So at any rate, bless. At any rate, this should... Oh no, we're stuck. We're stuck, right? We're stuck, right? Nope. Oh no, we're stuck, right? Nope. Oh no, we're stuck, right? We're stuck, right? Nope. Woohoo! Oh my gosh, we're still streaming, right? Oh my god. Oh, we did it. We did it. Bless you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is awesome. I'm gonna cough again. That is so satisfying. So we actually don't need this pointing right and down these pointing right and down variables. This code is extraneous. Let's let it go. It helped us solve the issue, and now it's gone. We will need to implement GitHub, so the code isn't gone forever. If the spaceship is pointing to the right and down or to the right and up, if your spaceship isn't pointing at the wall, you should be able to engage propulsion and rocket away. Yep. So if you hit something, and I'm still learning ship terminology, but if you have a ship, it hits something, and you need to take time to reorient the ship, turn it around, and then be able to move again. I don't know what that term is. You know what? We can quickly, since we just had a bit of a W, just have another learning experience. I won't get Oh well. There probably is, but we can move forward. So we can just call this function perfect. We'll call this function method behavior, all interchangeable. Oh wait. We already kind of have something here, but let's just make a new one. Because that's not what this originally was. Actually, that's what it was for. Let's stick with this one. So, just rename it. Yep, and that makes more sense. Flip direction, that doesn't really tell a story. So what's more descriptive is little more descriptive than a story, right? Yep, that's what the code does. So, I mean, we can just do this for the other the other three walls, right? That's like a junior level solution, but it's still, like I said, right now we're brute forcing it before we optimize. So wall 1, wall 2, wall 3, wall 4, we need an else if because we need the conditionals, and then if this is true, do this. Otherwise, and there's really no by default. We could say propel by default. That might confuse things. Because of the way the game loop works, we're propelling by default anyways. So that just means we need to know what angles represent us moving away from each wall. So, the stream end. It reset. No worries. Hello, welcome again to the Empathy software live stream development of the mobile game Cure-All, Empathy Software's flagship title, in collaboration with the United States Marine Corps, Semper Fi. My name is Russell Campbell, and I'm an O10 in the United States Marine Corps, and it is my pleasure to be here to teach you the ins and outs of game development, GameMaker Studio 2, game design, and lots more. We briefly had an interruption here in the stream, but we are back. We are implementing the remainder of our solution to the current problem set. That problem set being propelling the spaceship away from the borders of the screen after collision with them. We got the left wall. Let's do the remainder. So just to test, we are streaming, right? So testing. Test. We are streaming, right? So testing. Test. Perfect. All right. So let's try this once again. You know what? Just so that we mitigate even more disaster, let's make sure that I can see Twitch while I'm doing this. All right, cool. So let's go ahead and verify that we can hit the left wall and move away. Hit the left wall and move away. Hit the left wall and move away. Then let's go to the top wall. What? Ooh, we found a problem here. So, perfect. But this is a perfect opportunity to learn. Okay. Gotcha. So, whew. All right. So, what was the issue here? Hit wall equals false. So let's go to let's comment out the rest of this if statement first. Go to, yep, so a global hit wall is not going to work for us. We do need, in this case, because it's a brute force solution, it's not that elegant, but we will we'll work with it. Alright, so we hit the wall. Now we need to steer safety, but this, if we have hit the wall, steer safety. If we have not hit a wall, then you can propel, right? Let's see, if we hit the top wall or the bottom wall. Oh, okay. Gotcha. And the reason why we went off screen there is because we're pointing down and to the right. So let's go ahead Boom. The spaceships we are in. Steer to safety. Bit of an issue on line 22. You know what the issue is. Missing a curly brace. Added one too many comments. That's fine. Boom. So that would imply that this should get us stuck, right? But if we go here, we're not stuck. Gotcha. So it's just because of the logic we have being applied to each wall, which doesn't help us. So so we go to reset the degree. We still need to show that image angle. This is bothering me. So let's go back here. Yeah, we're gonna need variables to let us know that we've hit. This is either the top or the bottom of the wall, but think about it. So
see here, kid. You gotta just go for it. Don't think about what comes after or what came before. You just gotta bend your knees, take a deep breath, and jump. And you might think, what if I fall? Well, what if you don't? What if you fly?
what if you don't fall? What if you fly? All right, so Alright, so alright, so we're now on we just wanted to know that we hit a wall, but we will need to know which wall we hit. So we can actually transform this logic right here. This is why you need commits, so you don't have to do stuff like this. Oh, we're past 10:30. I knew we'd go. We're gonna go until the end here. Let's make sure we're still recording. Now this is saying I'm back to an hour. I don't know what's going on really, but maybe it's somebody screwing with us. Maybe it's just a random error with Streamlabs. I'm not gonna think too much about it. Let's move on. So we need to coding is absolutely, positively still a relevant skill to learn. This is just my opinion, but that scare thinking that all programmers would be replaced by AI. I think it was completely unfounded. Still, that's just my opinion. Alright, so... So we're going to go ahead and complete this logic here. What the hell? All right, so this checks out here. So, like, yeah, let's make this easier for everyone. Just highlight this whole thing and paste. And then paste again. These names should be more consistent, but we can fix that later. Good. Let's see. You can only hit one of the 4 walls. You can't hit 2 walls at the same time, or can you? Oh. Okay. I won't dwell on that there, but this is a good question. That's outside the bounds of just getting these remaining tasks done, so I won't worry about it. But that at least gives me something to wrap my mind around. If it's ever racing in the wee hours of the morning. So, what's on task here? We have... it can only hit one of the 4 walls. So, if we've hit the left wall, or the... is that the variable name? Yeah. The left wall or the... if we hit the left wall... bro. Alright, the left wall or the right wall? Can we get away with that? Yeah. Still going? Cool. Cool. Testing. Testing. Hit the left wall or the right wall. Or the up wall. Oh god, this is so exciting, everyone. Or the up wall. Or the down wall. The left, right, the left wall, the right wall, the up wall, or the down wall. Can go ahead and steer to safety, and then we can. This allows us to keep all of this logic. Oh, we can even. Oh, that's right. We can do this to make this look even neater. Right. Wait a minute here. I'm getting sidetracked, but it's not a big deal. That's all correct. Oh gosh, I didn't even... This is irrelevant. We can permanently forget about that. Now we know that all of the logic related to steering to safety can handle all cases for when our spaceship has hit the left, right, up, or down walls. Alright, so we also need if there was a propel method somewhere here. Okay. So, Let's think about this logically. I want this to be a little quieter right now. Oh, let's think about this logically. We want to propel if we have not hit the left wall, down wall, right wall, or up wall. Is this an either or scenario? If we say and, we haven't hit any of the walls. If you have not, does it not make a difference? Let's isolate the problem down to the simplest problem set. I only want to propel the rocket ship, the spaceship, if I haven't hit the left wall and the down wall. But that means that we could be touching one of the walls and still propel. Because we want to be not touching. In that logic, we wouldn't be touching one. So we would be allowed to propel. Because both of the light bulbs need to be on to equate to true. So it's going to be logical or, oh gosh, it's going to be if we haven't hit the left wall or, come on, if we haven't hit the left wall or the right wall, or the up wall, or the down wall. Oh gosh, right? This is useless. Get rid of it. Save. If we've hit none of these walls, we want to propel. If we've hit any of these walls, we want to steer to safety. This is where we can bring in our logic here. Control S, clean build, run. Oh my gosh. So let's go ahead to so got an issue there, no worries. There we go. All good. Oh, this is exciting. Okay, so something went a little wrong there. It's no worries. This would obviously be an issue with the spaceship. This is why you need version control, but we can figure out what the problem is if we Oh, and then for stop, that's right. We didn't update stop. We don't need to. So, what's the issue? Haha! I'm pretty sure. Well, first, let's just make sure that solved the current problem before we put the cart in front of the beast of burden. Alrighty then. Yep. Big W. Alright, so that solved the current problem. We're back to where we were. But then if we do this, we should be blocked. No, we're not. That's just because there's nothing stopping us here. So then that means we just need to go to the... Is it propel? No, it's spaceship. Propel function. I noticed a bit of a redundancy, but we can ignore it for right now. Let's tidy this up. Go ahead to the propel function. Then add this more complete logic here. Tidy this up. Hit any of the walls. If we haven't hit any of the walls, then we should be able to propel. Let's see if this breaks our code. So let's test the original problem. So we seem to have broken the code. No worries. That's fine. Let's see if this works with just the left wall. Run a clean build. All right. Okay. So we got it to work again. So I don't know why, but we probably need to separate out the logic. Let's see if that works. The code is a little uglier, but this is a brute force solution, so we're more interested in making sure it works. Left, right, up, down. Oh, that's unexpected. I don't know what just happened. We gave it super speed somehow. I don't know why that just happened, so let's go ahead and close this. It's gonna make a hilarious bug. That's going on YouTube Shorts. Let's make sure we got that. On YouTube Shorts. We got that. Hey, bet. Alright. Alright, so that blew up in our face. It's totally okay. Oh, I think it's because... Yep, it's because we have these, we have the speed compounding. So, let's go ahead and put this in a series of if-else ifs. And if this works, I want to know why elif is for Python. If this works, I want to know why this works and not a series of or statements. That would be very interesting to know. But if this is true, do this. Otherwise, do this. Otherwise, do this. Otherwise, do this. If you're learning how to program, I know I said we would keep it speedy for anyone advanced, but I hope that helps. Oh my gosh. Now we successfully cleaned the program. We now run the code. Let's make sure our original problem is solved. Interesting. Okay. Not a problem. We'll just fix it. Yeah, so let's figure out why. That solved the speed issue, but if we haven't hit the left wall, does this need to be a series of ands? Let's try that out. Our goal in every stream is to get at least one W, so I'm not too worried if this ends up being more complicated, but Yep. We got her back, and then stuck. And then if we go to the bottom right, still stuck, still stuck. Woo! Oh, that feels so good. All right. Now, let's just confirm that that we can still get stuck on all the other walls. Run again. Oh my gosh. I did not expect to to code up space rocks from scratch, because the game engine developers very brilliantly decided to say, hey, you know, try to solve the problem yourself. Wow. And then, oh my gosh, do we get stuck on the bottom wall? And we can't go down into the right, so it uniquely detects when we got stuck on the left wall. Oh gosh, let's make sure we can get stuck on the right wall. Run again. So let's steer to safety from the left wall. Right, that's right. Good. Steer to safety. Good. Get stuck. Steer to safety. Then let's go to the... Oh my gosh. Yay! And then we're stuck. And then we should have the logic to get unstuck. Oh my gosh, guys. I think we're right there. Okay. Let's keep going. Now, we don't need that right now. Get rid of this. The last bit of logic here is in the steer to safety function. Okay, so we can use a visual aid here, but let's just use our noggin and save the changes, clean build, and run the virtual machine again. Oh my gosh, guys. Alright, so come on. Alright, we're good. So let's use our noggins here. So what does steering to say? Ooh, let's make sure we don't have to get stuck here first. Okay, and we're stuck, and we're stuck. Okay. Alright, so rotating clockwise, we have -0. I won't worry about it. Anyways, we ranging from 0 to -180. Then from counterclockwise, it's from 180 to 360. Let's just write this down. Goes from -180 to 0. And 180 to 360. Right? Okay. And it's easier for us here because we're not going across the origin point. That's awesome. So perfect. All right, so oh my gosh. Oh, no disasters. All right, so can we do this quickly? Can we use our third eyes? 0 to 180. And then negative 180. Negative 90 to 0. 0 to 180 for the bottom. 0 to 180, then from negative 3, negative 0 to 180, then from negative 180 to 0. Then finally, see if we can knock this out in time for lunch. And then from 90 to 270. And then, oh boy, I messed up the degrees. That's fine. Okay, just think. This is negative, so 0 to negative 180. And then from 180 to 360, that was right. So we've got 0. Then we've got from 0 to 180, and then negative 180 to negative 360. Negative, and then we've got references here, so let's use them. This is negative, so got 0 to 180 and negative. Oh, we all have the references right here. I was doing it. I was doing it in my head. So 0 to 180, and then from negative 180 to so for the top, for the bottom wall, 0 to, and then 0 to 180, and then negative 180 to negative 360. 359, whatever. Let's keep it precise. For the last one, we can use our brains. This is 90 to 270, negative 90 to negative 270. It's just... Oh no. You're not getting me. You're not getting me, demo gods. Watch here. Then the right wall. It's from 90 to 270, or negative 90 to negative 270. Right? Make sure that checks out. Alright, let's make it happen. Alright, so if it's top wall, remember it's negative 180 to 0. So if it's greater than degrees, negative degrees 180, and less than 0, right? And then goes from 180 to 360, greater than we can make this prettier. It's less than 359 degrees. Less than 359 degrees and greater than 180 degrees. That should really be it. For this logic. Choose the right variable. Cool. Alright, and then highlight, copy. Is less than negative 180 degrees. Less than 180 degrees. Oh my gosh. It's less than 180 degrees. Okay. Greater than 180. Greater than. No, this is greater than negative 180 degrees and okay. Caught this from 0 to 180. Yeah, just not a big deal. Just get rid of this. I love you guys so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Alright, did this. This is redundant. We paste this here. We go. Bottom wall is 0 to 180, so greater than 0. Make sure greater than 0. Greater than 0. It's totally fine. Greater than 0 and less than yeah, that's fine. Greater than 0 and less than 180 degrees. Oh gosh. Greater than 0 and less than 180 degrees. And then greater than less than negative 180 degrees. But greater than negative 359 degrees. Oh, we're right there. Oh my gosh. All right. Alright, and then the right wall is greater than 90 degrees, less than 270 degrees. And then finally, less than less than 90 degrees, but greater than negative 270 degrees. Oh, 180. Yeah, there we go. All right, gonna go ahead and save, run a clean build. We're just gonna test this all in one shot. No, we gotcha. All right. Clean program complete. We're still live. Testing. Program complete. We're still live. Oh gosh. Testing. Program complete. We're still live. Okay. All right. All right, so it's the Hugo. Thank you so much for your engagements. You're the first set of real engagements on the stream, so that's very exciting. I'm about to test a section of the code that we've been working on for a couple hours now, so I will get right to your question after we verify that this works. So let's go ahead and run the game. Let's see, line 36. We just need to close these curly braces. It's fine. Oh, that's exciting. We got an engagement too. Oh gosh. All right. Clean build. I'm so excited. Hugo, we will answer your question momentarily. Thank you so much again for being awesome and engaging with the stream. Clean program complete. Run the game. All right. Let's make sure our first condition is a W here. All right, and we can steer to safety. And then we get stuck here and we can, okay, no worries. So we still get stuck on the top wall. That's fine. We'll figure out why. Just so I don't leave you in suspense, it's the Hugo. Let's see, a couple of questions. First one is, why are you storing the code in scripts and not the objects? So the purpose of that is to train and force myself for my own learning and development to write code based on the behavior the objects will perform or enact. So when I started out programming, I would just code procedurally, and it was spaghetti code, and it was a nightmare, to be honest. It was very disorganized, and I have come a long way to train myself out of making spaghetti code, writing spaghetti code. So the purpose of that is organization. I do have ADHD, so this acts as a brain exercise to facilitate my organizational thinking. So I love neuroscience, and I know that by doing this, I am creating synapses or brain connections to be more organized. That's why. Answer 1.I to your question 1. In GameMaker Studio 2, I don't know. Oh, right. Yeah, we have objects. We have our game objects, but if you'll take a look here, the scripts are being utilized by the game objects. See? And this, the reason for this is that if you are on a development team and other developers are reading your code, it is way nicer for them to read plain English sentences. Such as if we press the up key on our keyboard and we have not hit any of the walls, propel the spaceship. So I am using objects, and attached to these objects are the scripts, behaviors, or methods. So, and here we have our variables, attributes, fields, however you want to refer to them. But the bottom line answer to your first question is I am using game objects, mind you, and the scripts are so the code in the game objects is more human readable. If you're asking why I'm not using objects like in object-oriented programming, there is a twofold answer to that. Either my knowledge of GameMaker Studio 2 isn't robust enough to answer that question accurately, or you might be referring to like structs or data structures and why I'm not using any of those. I'm not using any of those because the project as it stands is very lightweight. There is not much of a reason to use any data structures because we're not dealing with more complex logic. We're not saving any player data in a JSON file, for example, to persist from room to room. So that's why you don't really see any objects. If you mean game objects, I answered that game objects are, I'm using scripts on the game objects to make the logic in the game objects more human readable. If you're talking about a level of objects that I do not know yet, then I have acknowledged that that's above my knowledge set. And then if you're talking about data structures, our code, our game is very lightweight right now, and it nullifies the necessity of using structs like that. I hope this answers question 1. Question 2. Why is my stream marked for sexual content? Chapter 2 or part 2 of my video game explores sexual themes. Done. I am not marking that to gain more engagement. I know this is a fairly common tactic, but this is not the instance for Empathy Software's cure-all. The reason is because part 2 of the campaign intends to explore mildly suggestive themes. I'm marking sexual content ahead of time so I can be logically consistent with the guidelines both on the Google Play Store and within Twitch. Thank you so much. Bless. Thank you so much for commenting. That's really awesome of you. I really appreciate it. These are the most engagements I've gotten since I started streaming, so bless. All the bless. Oh gosh. And I'll put it in the comments too. Let's see. All right, so then, so Ah, right. 1. And then, and then 3. Okay, and now, alright, so then question 2, let's just answer that here. So answer the question 2. Thank you so much for engaging. You rock. Oh my gosh. That's so exciting! Oh my gosh. Thank you! Thank you! Look at all these engagements! Bless! Oh, I feel great. Alright. Moving forward. Alright, so we just need to figure out now why. Why this is not working. So we got stuck on the top wall. If you release stop, of course, but if I think it might be and here. Let's see. Let's see. Save. And clean complete. Let's run it again. Might not work here. I'm predicting it won't, but let's keep moving. Okay, let's check the first problem. Okay, the first problem checks out. Okay, so I think, yeah, we created more problems. That's fine. Let's go ahead. We know that this was the problem. The mask is a little itchy. Alright, so now this is not going to work. So we need to just verify here that we're back to normal. Okay, back to normal. Wonder if it works on. Okay, so we're back to normal. Okay. Let's clean clean up the garbage code later. I'm gonna go ahead and let's ignore that alarm for now. So if if top wall, this is where we set this all to true. Then oh gosh, let's confirm that okay. Okay, we got our original problem back and our original solution. Yep. Okay. Okay. So what's the issue here? Right? Just need to make sure we no longer need that. Let's tidy this up and go to Propel. No, this is steer to safety. Oh. Okay, so this is Have we captured any problem, any set of degrees in the when we tried to steer to safety from the left wall? All right, now this Clean build worked. Let's go to run the game. Oh gosh, this is so exciting. Even if we have to take a break, this is so exciting. All right, now let's confirm we have our original problem. Ooh, okay. Okay. I'm glad we caught this. Oh, so we need the OBS 64 to run Streamlabs. Okay, not a big deal at all. We had an organic stopping point, so we're going to go to GameMaker, kill the virtual machine, force quit, close activity monitor. If degrees is greater than 0, less than 180. On the bottom wall. Ah! So you know how we can bind this more? We can force it to only detect we can force it to detect if it's hit the bottom wall, if we've hit the bottom wall, and we have this degree range. So then on the right wall, well, we share degrees with on the left wall with the degrees for the bottom. Those overlap. The degrees to steer to safety from the bottom wall, right? Those degrees overlap. Then what overlaps here for the top wall, and then this overlaps for the bottom wall, from the bottom wall too. So adding this bit of logic here. Oh my gosh. Adding this bit of logic here. Oh my gosh. Woo! What did I do? Okay, I had that highlighted. Not a big deal. So we want to make sure that we've hit the bottom, the right wall. So then we can go over to count the parenthesis here. Good. We want to make sure that we Alright, so save. Alright, so you want to go ahead and save that. Then, did we run we need to run the clean build. Do that real quick. Alright, run the program as it is right now. And let's verify our original problem and then our original solution. Original problem. Okay. Gotcha. That's okay. It says that... Is this because the if statement needs to be on the same line? If so, that's fine. Well, let's just find out for sure. Run our clean build. Clean successful. Let's verify the original problem. Okay, so that's fine. Got a crash here. And we could pass this function through. We could pass function parameters to this to steer to safety. Has anyone else commented on the stream? Nope. And we're still going. We're still good. All right. So. That's strange. Let's look at our error. Yeah, it's on steer to safety line 20, line 16. Object space. Yeah, steer to safety. No, it's line 16. And the error here. Oh, we got error handling. Hit top wall is not set before reading it. Is that the name of the variable? Let's go back to our spaceship, tidy this up. Haha. Don't know why it allowed me to do that, to name the variable this, but it's no matter at all. Let's tidy this up. Go back to our scripts. The game doesn't need saving right now. This is in steer to safety. Let's make this more readable. Steer to safety. don't know why that happened, but that's not relevant. Clean program, save the game. Then we go and it said up here. I've been programming for a while, so thank you so much for your patience, everyone. You're really awesome. Let's test the original problem. Okay. That should be down wall, right? Let's go to our spaceship. Let's go to the variable declaration in our spaceship. GameMaker might randomly crash. We've been working for a while. It is down wall, so that's my mistake. The wording needs to be very precise. So it's lessons learned. Moving forward. Alright. Going to go back to steer to safety. This is supposed to be down. Kinishinai. Alright, let's test our original problem. Alright, original solution. Oh. Well, let's go here. Alright, so, okay. We can access that code. That's good news. So, oh my gosh. Now, the activity monitor. Kill the virtual machine, force quit. Hurrah! Kill the virtual machine, force quit. Close your activity monitor. We got down here, so we should have like asset history somewhere, but I don't know what that window is right now. We need to go to we need to go to the spaceship. It's up and down wall, left and right wall. So we're gonna go back to, just close this, tidy this up, go to our steer to safety method. So I saw the message show up at 90 degrees. All right, so this on line 16 of the opening parenthesis can be on the next line of an if statement. So that's relevant. So we're going to save this real quick. Why did this start to show up Why did that message show up? At greater than 90 degrees. Image angle is greater than negative 180. So greater than negative 180 or less than negative 360. That's correct. Let's think about this. Else if hit the down wall and no, it means we got that far. So can we exit this? Can we now exit? Is that what that means in the second quadrant? Let's find out. Alright. Original solution. Original problem. Excuse me. Verified. Original solution. You can get stuck again. You can leave. You can get stuck. We can leave. Oh my gosh! Let's try it again. Oh! Oh my gosh. Oh my god! Yes! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, let's keep trying that. Oh my god! Oh! I can't believe it. Alright. We knocked that out. Alright. And now... Okay, that works. Okay. So, it's just the up and down wall. Oh my gosh, that is so exciting. Now, oh my gosh. Now we just need to figure out. Let's see if we can do it. All right. Oh. Okay. All right. Let's go. Now, let's examine this. Y with up and down. Y. If it's greater than 0 degrees. Less than 180. Less than negative 180. Greater than negative 359. two parentheses. Let's save and run. So since we're printing the numerical values to the console, we can verify the degree range here. So we're going from 0 to 180. Does that check out for the down wall? 0 to 180. Okay, and then from right. Let's go clockwise. Negative 180 to negative 180 to negative 360, right? Wait a minute. So then at negative 360, no, we should be able to move, but we can't move. Less than 180 degrees. Oh! For negative, does it... For negative, is it still considered like greater than? Let's try this for the down wall. What was this? Clean this build. Then boom. Let's see if that does it. Let's verify success, problem and success for our confirmed. Oh my, and it feels pretty smooth too. Oh my gosh. All right, and then okay, and now okay, no worries. So we know that the up and down walls are giving us are still giving us issues. So to prevent creating any more problems, we're just going to reset things to what they were, and then honestly break for lunch and solve this on tonight's stream. Yeah, come check us out at 21:30 Eastern or 9:30 p.m. Eastern. We'll be streaming the remainder of this practice project, and then hopefully we can get to some GitHub and version control, but we will move through things organically. But we just had some W's, didn't we? I'm pretty sure we had some W's. What do we do here when we have some W's? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh. So how do we celebrate W's over here? Because we love W's. Oh my gosh.
Victory screech!
I didn't hear that. I didn't hear that, SpongeBob. What was that?
Victory screech!
One more time. I don't think I heard you.
Victory screech!
Alright. And one more time! Victory screech! Alright, everyone. We'll see you tonight at 21:30 Eastern or 9:30 p.m. Eastern. Thank you so much for tuning in to the Empathy Software live stream development of its flagship title, the mobile game Cure-All, in collaboration with the United States Marine Corps, Semper Fi. Enjoy your lunch, stay well, stay healthy, stay safe, take care.